first thing that cheapens your appearance when someone gives you a first glance is wearing excessively long lashes. Ladies, wearing excessively long lashes makes you look untidy and crass. You make sure that everything you do should be moderate. The second one is wearing poorly done makeup. Makeup has a way of enhancing your looks to cheapening your looks. Wearing a makeup, you have to make sure that you're wearing the exact shade of your foundation, your concealer, down to every other thing. Remember that while putting on a makeup, you make sure that everything is mild, moderate, and subtle. In this situation, less is more, because wearing excessive eyeshadows, eyebrows that doesn't suit your complexion has a way of making you look like a joker. So you have to make sure that your makeups are natural, subtle, and displays elegance. Don't wear wrinkled clothing. Wrinkled clothing has a way of making even the most expensive designer dress look like a rag. So it is very crucial that before you step out of the door, your clothes is well ironed. Because if not, people will notice you quite alright, but for the wrong reasons. So taking out 10 to 15 minutes out of your time to iron out your clothes will really make a big difference. Avoid wearing t-shirts, polos, or dresses that has so much color combinations and too many graphic drawings. I mean, those clothes has a way of belittling you, making you look like you're you're from the streets. It doesn't display elegance. There's too much things going on. Elegance is subtle, elegance is gentle, elegance is not shouty. So anything you're doing, do in moderation, and that is the trajectory of elegance. Avoid wearing too many colorful dresses, especially colors that don't even go together. Yellow and pink, green and purple, red and yellow. These are the colors you should avoid putting together. It doesn't go well. Blue and pink, these colors are so off. So if you're tending towards the trajectory of elegance, you should be aware of that. Rather, wear mild colors like nude, brown, black, white, navy blue, green. Some of these colors are they look rich and they display elegance. The next one is showing too much skin. Ladies, this one is really for us. Showing too much skin can never be elegant. Yes, it might be trending. That is what is happening now. That is what it seems everybody is doing. That is what your favorite celebrities are doing, but it does not tell class. Let's forget about all these trendy things that is happening in social media, and we tend to overlook things we have. Showing off your back, your belly, your chest, your clips, your legs only in one outfit is no class at all. Remember, there is elegance in simplicity and honor in modesty. These types of outfits makes you look cheap, tacky, and ras. Also, avoid wearing oversized dress or undersized dress, because people will see you, people will notice you, and they will have a very bad impression about you. If at all you want to wear a bougie kind of dressing, you should make sure it fits you. You look instantly cheap when chewing gum, especially in gatherings, in churches, even on the streets. Immediately people see you, they will just like the first impression they get is low class, ras. So we have to be very mindful of where we chew gum and how we chew gum, because I know I've seen so many ladies, most times they forget themselves and they chew gum with their mouth wide open. That is not elegant. at all. Another aspect that makes you look cheap is wearing nails that are too long can never and will never be elegant. Yes, it's trendy. Yes, it's fine. Yes, it's attractive. And then it is not elegant. Even if it's acrylic nails or the normal nails, remember, less is more. I keep wondering, ladies who wear these long nails, how do they do their business in a restroom? How do they wash up? For those who eat swallow with their hands, how do they do it? I mean, I keep wondering, how do they do some certain hygienic activities with those long nails? Some of them even don't know how to press their phones with long nails. Some of them find it difficult to even send text messages. They can't operate their phones well, but yet they feel it's fashion. They feel like this is what is trendy. And then another thing, some ladies wear nails that are painted. I can't even explain. You see nail like this, different color, rainbow. Like it has so many colors, it has so many arts going on, like so many things going on these nails. It is not elegant. It is not, it is not classy. No matter how you do it, no matter how you present it, it is not classy. Making your nails short, making your nails neat, painting nude color, it's okay. Not having blue, green, yellow, purple, rainbow color everywhere in your hand, it doesn't make you look neat. It makes you look unkempt, makes you look ratchet. It is not classy, it is not elegant. Anything longer than 1 inch is not elegant. That is excess. Wearing long nails cheapens your look and gives a trashy appearance. Another point is your underwear showing out of your clothes, or your underwear showing through your clothes. That is not elegant. As a lady, you have to invest so much into your underwears. You buy those colors that are not revealing. You don't wear something and yet your undergarments are showing. I mean, some of them might be falling because they are sagging. Those things doesn't show that you are an elegant or classy lady. It only displays street, tacky, ratchet, unkempt, careless. You have to make sure you get good fitted, breathable underwears. I rather spend so much buying comfortable undergarments because they make me feel more feminine than spending the money on designers, and yet I don't have good undergarments. That is not classy at all. Wearing weird hair color. You see hair color like yellow, light green, blue, gray. Those hair colors are not for the elegant ladies. I say again, there is nothing wrong with trying some kind of hair color or hairstyle that suits you and still makes you look responsible and classy. But anything beyond the normal human hair colors is ratchet, is showing lack of elegance, is showing trashy appearance. No human hair color is blue. No human hair color is green. So when you go out of the normal range of human hair colors, natural human hair colors, you are showing street ras. That is not elegant. Last but not the least, wearing too many piercings and tattoos. This might be a little controversial, but hear me out. The concept of elegance might not appeal to every girl. For instance, if Cardi B is the star model, your favorite model that you look up to, then you shouldn't go into the trajectory of elegance. However, tattoos and piercings are a form of self-expression and love for art, which is very beautiful. But this does not align with the concept of elegance, because If you have too much tattoos and piercings, at the first glance, at the very first glance, people wouldn't categorize you as elegant. I'm not saying that having tattoos and piercings already disqualifies you from the category of elegance, because elegance is not just about the outward appearance. Elegance is found in simple, mild touches. Even something so beautiful can be ugly when it is overdone. Ladies, if you are tending towards the trajectory of elegance, please avoid piercing your tongues, your lips, your nose. Do not put tattoos in areas that people can notice. If at all you love tattoos, you could just do them in hidden places where you could use clothes and cover them. Because too much excessive tattoos on your neck, your hands, it doesn't display elegance. Let me know other things you feel might make you more elegant and things you feel might not make you elegant. Let me know in the comment section, and also smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, share this video to every other lady that is also in her journey to level up and become elegant. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the very next video.